Scrolling test in Kinemaster. In this video, you will learn how to add scrolling test in Kinemaster. First, go to Kinemaster app in your mobile phone and you will see a screen like this. Now tap on the icon that says layer, and from here a screen will appear like this. From these droplets, click on the one that says text. Now you will easily be able to add the text you want to see on your screen. For example, I'm typing subscribe, and after typing I will adjust it according to me. I will use the cursor or this rotate option to adjust it accordingly. Now in the left dashboard, I will select an option that says plus. From here, you can see this option. After clicking on it, I will press the play button and will see the scrolling screen text on my screen. That's all. That's how you will be easily able to add scrolling text in Kinemaster.